Have you ever wondered what a subdomain is, what you can do with one, and how you can create one? If you answer yes, follow this video to the end to find out. My previous video shows you how to create your business or professional email from your domain name. This video will show you how to create a subdomain from your domain name. Subdomains allow you to have a new web address for separate areas of your website. With subdomain, you can host multiple and related websites under the same domain name and your hosting package without having to make a new or different purchase. For instance, if your domain name is webhostville.co.uk and you want to create a separate area for a different or related website, let's say it is a membership area for your main site, then your subdomain will be something like members.webhostville.co.uk. You will access this website with the URL http://www.members.webhostville.co.uk. And the files for this website will be in a subdirectory like /public_html/members. First, let's check out your web files from their file manager. The File panel on the Control panel gives you tools to manage your web files. Click on the File Manager icon to get to the server directory where you upload your web files. Click on the file public_html and this opens up your server files containing folders of directories and files that make up your website. In this folder, there are two different directories for two different websites under the same domain. You can upload folders and create directories directly using the File Manager tools or using FTP tools. You can also create directories when you create your subdomain. Click on the Go Back button at the bottom of the page to go back to the Control Panel homepage. From the Web Tools panel, click on the subdomain icon. From here you can create subdomains for your website. On this web hosting package, you can create up to 5 subdomains. Enter the name you want to give the subdomain. In this case, members. Enter the name of the subdirectory you want for the web files on the server, which is members in this case. Web files on this subdirectory can be viewed from the web browser through the subdomain entered. Click on Create button and the subdomain and subdirectory will be created for you. It may take up to 60 minutes for the subdomain to be active. You can modify the directory if you need to. You can also create several subdomains depending on your package allowance. Click on the Go Back button. Let's check out the newly created subdirectory and subdomain. Click on the File Manager icon on the File panel. Click on the public HTML directory. You will see the newly created members subdirectory along with the others. Click to open the members subdirectory. The directory is currently empty. Let's create an index.html file as a placeholder for the directory. Through the web browser, you can view the index.html file from the subdomain members.webhostville.co.uk. Click on the new file icon. Name it index.html. The file editor opens. Enter some information that could be seen when viewing the subdomain from the browser, so you know this is the subdomain just created. Click Save and Close when done. Here is the file index.html in the members subdirectory on the web server. Now, let's view the subdomain from the browser. First the main domain, webhostville.co.uk. Then the members subdomain, members.webhostville.co.uk. Each of these areas of your website can have different websites as you wish. You can have a main website, a blog, e-commerce, or membership areas with subdomains depending on your goals. Now that you know how to create subdomain from your domain name, don't forget to check out www.webhostville.com to get your domain name and web hosting services.